Perfect time, and well, guess you guys are going to learn how to repair an axe handle here. It is hot out here. So you need to repair an axe handle. So first step, we need to get this axe head or maul head out of the block of wood. I'll just take my hatchet here, pound it out. Get rid of that. Next step, get rid of the old handle. So you need a new handle here. I just went to the hardware store, picked up this guy. And you're gonna need a couple wedges. There's some different types. There's the aluminum ones. They're a little more pricey. Or they sell the wood wedges as well. And it comes with a little tiny aluminum wedge for backup. Or you can just make your own. Now we need to get the broken handle, or the rest of it, out of the head here. What you're gonna need is wood chisel, a hammer or a hatchet to pound, and then you basically just start chiseling it out. It does take a little bit of time, just got to keep at it here. Try and get all that old wood out, split it up. Just keep trying to break it all up. And then you can go from the top down as well. If you're using one of your good chisels, just watch you don't hit the steel axe head. You'll definitely damage the chisel. If you have access to a vise, it's even better. But get a couple 2x6s, prop it up. I usually use a piece of rebar or even a steel punch. Just try and punch it down. This sometimes works. It's wedged in there extremely tight, which is good. Oh, there we go. It's coming out now. One more small little piece in the corner here. Use the chisel to get it out, hopefully. All right, it's all out. Well, it's all out, nice and clean. Took a couple minutes, and there's many ways you guys can do it. Like if you have access to a drill, use a drill bit, drill some holes, and just keep at it until it all comes out. So let's get the handle on now. So when it comes to fitting a handle, most likely your handle is going to be too big for your axe eye, and usually you have to shave it down. Yeah, this one's too big. So again, many ways. I like to use a rasp, sometimes just even a carving knife or sandpaper. And you just want to take a little bit off at a time. You can always take off more, you can't add it back on. So take your time, get it right the first shot here, and yeah, let's just rasp it just a little bit, not much. I'm a fan of this great big 1.5-inch rasp, and it works very well. Just try and keep it nice and even, take the same amount off both sides, keep it nice and uniform. And just keep trying until it fits on. And you want it to fit on tight. Just a little bit more. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go now. I'm just gonna use a bigger axe to put this one on. I don't really want to wreck my little hatchet. You want to hammer it down until it won't go anymore. Don't worry about if you have access sticking up here. You just take a saw, cut that off, and then we'll stick our wedge in. All you need, just a little handsaw, and then just give it a quick little trim. Nice and flush. Now grab yourself some either aluminum wedges or wood wedges. I'm going to use the aluminum today if I can get into them. I'm a fan of these ones. I just find they last a little bit longer and they hold really well. So what I usually do is I always take some wood glue and then just fill up any little crack there may be. Put a bunch of glue on your wedge, both sides. And yeah, just make sure you have lots of glue in there. Take the wedge. There is a front and back, so you want the fat side to the back of the axe. And then take a hatchet or your hammer, put it into the little slot here, and you basically just pound it down. Pound it in until it's nice and flush. I'm just going to switch to a bigger axe here. My little hatchet's falling apart. I'll do a little speech on this in a second. Well, it's all cleaned up. Just wipe it all off. Looks really good. Wedge is extremely tight. It's flat flush with the head. The head is so tight. It's not coming off. Let's give it the true test. Let's see if this thing's gonna hold. Oh yeah. She's tight. Since we're at it here, I've owned this little hatchet for, I don't know, like 12, 15 years now. It's been awesome. I use it every single day, but it's weathered, shrinking. I did some old farm repairs here by just driving a few nails. It holds for like 6 months or so, then comes loose again. But since we have this old wedge out of the other axe, I'm just gonna drive this in and tighten this little guy up since we're at it here. So just same steps as before, just a ton of wood glue on the wedge all the way around. Don't be shy, and clean it up later. If you can get some in the handle, put some up in there as well. Take your wedge, and then just drive it down as far as it can go. There we go, nice and flush. Lots of glue on there, so I'm just going to grab some sawdust, clean it up. Just wipe off all that glue. There we go. If there's glue on your fingers, just wipe them off on your jeans. The wife loves that. There, nice and flush, tight. Should be good for another year. 2 projects done, very tight, clean. We're good to go, back to work. Hope you guys enjoyed this little how-to video on replacing an axe handle. Just a little restoration on this little guy, quick fix. Really easy to do, just takes a little bit of time. So yeah, off to the next one.